My name is Raja binti Rosti. My number is S70996. Today I ask CO presenter.
My name is Izzati binti Melati. My nama mete S70482. I ask CO presenter.
First, we write an application letter using the AIDA method to exert the step out. A is for attention. We start it with a strong opening line about the company reputation.
I is for interest. We connected our studies to the job requirement. D is for desire. Here we highlighted our specific achievement and skill.
And finally, A is for action. We politely requested an interview at the end of the letter.
Assalamualaikum and good morning, Azhar. Thank you for coming to our company. Now we will interview you with several questions. Are you ready? Firstly, tell me about yourself.
Salam, my name is Nuruddin Azhar and I am a final year management marketing student with a strong passion for digital marketing and data analysis. During my studies, I have several university promotional campaigns and honed my leadership skill. I am a creative problem solver who is eager to apply my knowledge in a professional setting.
Why you want to work here?
Alright, first of all, I admire your company innovative approach to market trends and your strong brand reputations. I follow your recent campaigns and really appreciate how you engage with your audience. I want to contribute my analytical skills to help the team continue to grow and achieve its target.
Okay, thank you, Azhar. For next question is, what is your greatest weakness? Can I know?
Sometimes I tend to focus too much on the details, which can slow me down. However, I'm actively working on this by practicing better time management technique like time boxing. This helped me to deliver high quality work efficiently without missing deadlines.
Okay, thank you. Now we are going to the next question. Why should we hire you?
I think you should hire me because I'm offer a fresh perspective combined with solid marketing knowledge. I am not only creative but also data driven, meaning I make decision based on insight. I am a quiet learner too, ready to hit the ground running and bring value to your marketing team immediately.
Okay, so our last question is, what is the hardest decision you have had to make? Can you tell us?
So the hardest decision was changing a project strategy just in 2 days before the deadline. My team realized our internal plan was not effective, even though we had already put in a lot of work. We decided to pivot, rework the contents, and ultimately achieve a higher distinctions. It taught me to be adaptable and prioritize result over the effort.
Thank you, Azhar, for your attention and cooperate. We choose our company and we wish you all the best for your next. Thank you.